Just going to do a short video here just to show. So I've already started planting, show you a few things, but this right here is going to be for potatoes. I've got right here, I got some rosemary. See, I got my little sticker in there, but that's rosemary. Right here I got some thyme. These were just planted over the weekend. I got radish. I'm gonna plant those in containers this year. And let's see what else we got. Let's see. Oh, okay, this is oregano. So I got my oregano in this one. This one I got some bunching onion. So we got some onions in here. Let's see, this one right here is going to have two types of lettuces. Let's see what we got. So this is going to be a gourmet blend and black seeded Simpsons in this one right here. Let's see, I can't remember. Yeah, radishes. I think I showed you my radishes right here. What else we got? Some baby bok choy. How about that, folks? So let me go ahead and pause it, and I got a few other things to show you. All right, here are my potatoes. So this is what I'm experimenting right here with. So these are just russet potatoes that I bought from the grocery store. Now I know I went a little beyond what you should plant. A couple of these, I'm just gonna do a little test, see how it works. But look here, I got a couple of them there, 2 or 3 of them that should work just fine. I did get a bag of potato seeds from Tractor Supply, and I forget what variety these are, but you can see these got small ears on them. A couple of them only got one. We'll see how it works out. I got some more to try if it doesn't work, so I'll give it a try. So those are the potatoes going to go in the container. All right, so right here in this little raised bed here, I got red cell lettuce. So I already got that planted, got it covered with some hay, so it'll keep the soil moist. Let's see, this one right here, I got arugula in this one. So that's in that container right there. You see my little shallow beds. I got those from Aldi's a while back. They're 6 inches deep if you go to the top, and that's gonna be about the limit. It's not a whole lot of things. You could plant thyme in it. Even though I've got thyme in the container, I didn't want to waste a whole container for thyme when I'm not going to use that much of it. So I put it in a small container. But you see that right there, I got 4 of them, 2 black ones and 2 blue ones. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do in the other 2 yet. But right here, folks, this is lettuce that is still growing from last year. So it had a bunch of weeds in it, and I pulled up all the weeds, and I'm left with the lettuce from last year. And got a strawberry plant. Look at there, already got a few strawberries starting to come in. Look, that one's starting to turn red. Look at there. So I got a strawberry plant. And let me pause it for a second. I'm going to show you what I'm doing in one of my raised bed containers. All right, so here's one of the things. Let me show you. I had gotten this from a friend of mine, Jimmy Kersey. That's one of my brothers. I need to reach out to Jimmy. I ain't talked to him in a minute, but I know he's doing good. But I just thought I'd show you. I got that, and I cut it in half, so I still got to clean this one out. But I went ahead and cleaned this one out today. And as you can see, I don't know, there's my onions. Those are yellow onions. And then what I did is I trenched in a circle. I'm going to give this a try and see how this works out. But what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to plant some carrots. So I got those carrots, and folks, I don't really care as long as the carrots grow. I don't care if they get mixed together. But what I did is I planted my onions on the outer row. And what I'm trying to do, and that way I have my inner circle there, is going to be with the carrots. And I haven't determined yet what I'm going to put there in the middle. So I'm either going to put a hot pepper plant because they say that deters deer, which is what the onion's supposed to do. So it's supposed to help keep the deer from eating the carrots. We'll see how that goes. It's supposed to also deter rabbits. So it's either going to be a hot pepper plant or a tomato plant. I haven't decided which yet. I'm going to have some tomatoes in my garden. But anyway, that's that little raised bed there. But folks, I still have collards that are still growing from last year. They made it through the winter. I don't know how it did it, but it did. So I still have a few of those, but I got to clean up my garden, plant my garden. I'm not going to till it up this year. I try not to till it every single year. I try to do every 2 to 3 years. But like I said, I wanted to show you this, so I'm going to go ahead and plant my carrots, and that'll be it for today. And I'll continue working on the garden.